Hi, Dallin here from RezSystem support team. Right now I'm going to show you how to remove, edit, or add a checkout question to your booking process. So right now I'm logged into one of our accounts here. I wanted to use the test accounts that we have, but it doesn't have like the archive feature of it. So I wanted to use one of the live accounts that we have. So to go to the checkout questions, just refer to the black bar right here, which is your menu bar, and then go to setup and then go to checkout questions. Now in here we have three different sub contents here. So uh, for each attendee is actually being asked for each of the attendees that are that you are trying to book within your reservation, and you may want to ask like specific questions for like the balloon companies if they want to ask the weight of each attendees, and you may refer here and add like the weight checkout question for each attendee. So you refer to this sub menu right here. For each booking would be for questions that are being asked for the whole booking, and this will be asked before you review your basket. So if you want to ask like general questions, etc., you can refer to this one. For the customer will be asked after you review your basket, which is before payment. So this is where most of the questions are being asked, like the name of who is booking the reservation, email where the confirmation will be sent, contact information, and some other useful information like the checkout, like the terms and conditions and stuff like that. So this is where we're actually going to refer and try to add, edit, or try to add, edit, or maybe remove a checkout question. So this is per customer level checkout questions. So here are the questions that are preset for you. You may actually edit any of these, or you can add a new question, which is right here, and you're pretty much just going to follow the instructions with regards to adding a new checkout question, which is fairly easy. But right now I'm going to show you how to remove a checkout question. So here we have three that are required by the customer, I mean by the owner, that the customer should check once they are booking a reservation. So let's say he doesn't really want the primary renter over 21A's checkout questions to be asked and wanted to remove it to the process. So let's go ahead and click on view. Okay, right there. You actually have two options on removing this checkout question. The first one would be to refer to the visibility, meaning you'll still have this checkout question in the system. It's just that it won't be visible in you with your customers when they are booking a reservation in your system. So you may change the status from always to inactive, just so to again make it not available on the reservation, but you will still have a copy of this in the system in case in the future you would want to ask this checkout question again. So you'll just have to refer to the visibility right here and make it from inactive to always to again show it, and then of course click on the big green button over to the right to save the setting. But if you really wanted to delete the whole checkout question itself and you don't want to save it, and you would rather add this in the future in case you would really want to, then you may refer to archiving the question itself. And then to archive this, just click on the button right here, and then it will ask you again another question to confirm it if you'd really want to confirm removing the checkout question. And then once you have confirmed it, it will be removed in the system itself. So those are the two options. Again, since we're not removing it, we'll just have to go back and change that to always, and then click on the big green button. So right there, that's how you remove a checkout question. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to give us a call and email us at RezSystem@helpdesk.com. Thank you so much.